Now inside of the cranial cavity means we have removed the supratentorial, and what is present below this, you see like this when I am keeping, ये देखो, this is called as the tentorium cerebelli, আর এর তলায় যে ক্যাভিটিটা আছে that is called as the infratentorial compartment. So inside this where I am putting the forceps, this part is called as the infratentorial compartment, which lodges the cerebral hemisphere, and you can see the cut section of the brainstem here, and whatever is present above this, यहाँ पे this entire thing is called as the supratentorial compartment, which contains the cerebellar hemisphere. और cerebellar hemisphere मतलब telencephalon, और उसके बीच वाला जो एरिया जिसको बोलते हैं diencephalon. So that is contained in the supratentorial compartment. Now you see the cranial cavity is divided into three parts. This is the anterior cranial fossa, this is the middle cranial fossa, and this is the posterior cranial fossa. So in these cranial fossas, now what we can see, let us go to that one by one, and I am putting the forceps over these structures. In the center here you see this is the crista galli. This bony portion is called crista galli, to which the superior sagittal sinus, this one is the superior sagittal sinus which is present. Superior sagittal sinus is present between the endosteal layer, and ये वाला layer देख रहे हो, this is the meningeal layer. So superior sagittal sinus is present between the endosteal and the meningeal layer of dura mater, and this particular layer which you can see sickle shaped layer, this particular layer is present between the two cerebral hemispheres, this is called as falx cerebri. This is called as falx cerebri, formed by the meningeal layer, and along its inferior border like this will be present the inferior sagittal sinus. তাহলে superior sagittal sinus, and like this the inferior sagittal sinus. Okay, falx cerebri posteriorly is attached like this to the upper tent like portion. এটা দেখো টেন্টের মতন দেখতে লাগছে. This tent like thing is called as tentorium cerebelli. The posterior end of the falx cerebri is attached to the tentorium cerebelli, and tentorium cerebelli যেখানে attach করছে, here you will have another sinus going down like this. This is called as straight sinus. This is called as the straight sinus. So the inferior sagittal sinus is then continuing as the straight sinus. Please remember, superior sagittal sinus which comes like this continues posteriorly like this. This is the right transverse sinus. So superior sagittal sinus is continuous with the right transverse sinus, and the straight sinus which comes down like this is continuous with the left transverse sinus. Right and left transverse sinus will be continued with the sigmoid sinus, which we cannot see here, and sigmoid sinus is continued downwards through the posterior compartment of jugular foramen as the internal jugular vein. इसके बाद एक के बाद एक I am showing the cranial nerves. So present in the passing through the cribriform plate like this. Can you see this cranial nerve which is coming out? एक मिनट, ये वाला देखो, एक ब्रश लेके आ जाओ तो ब्रश लेके. This is called as olfactory nerve coming out of the cribriform plate. This is olfactory. This is the olfactory nerve. ठीक है? Then we will go to the next part. This is the first cranial nerve coming out through the cribriform plate. This is the second cranial nerve passing through the optic canal. This is optic nerve. ये देखो, this is optic nerve. The cut ends like this. Here can you see? These are the internal carotid artery. They will come up like this. So here you see internal carotid arteries will come, and over this region interpeduncular fossa they will form a circle called as circle of Willis. ঠিক আছে, এই জায়গাটা যেখানে আমি ব্রাশটা রাখছি এই জায়গাটায়. আচ্ছা, আরেকটা জিনিস এখানে দেখো, see another thing here. The two optic nerves will come and cross like this in the center. This is called as optic chiasma, and from the optic chiasma comes out these two optic tracts. ठीक है. Now here you see after the internal carotid artery, in the center here you see this is क्या हुआ, in the center here you see this is called infundibular stalk. ये स्टॉक जाके यहाँ पे एक मेनिंजियल लेयर होता है दैट इज कॉल्ड एज डायफ्राम सेली, उसको पियर्स करके इट गोज इनसाइड, और इसी के अंदर लॉज क्या करता है, पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड. सो दिस इज द स्टॉक विच हेल्प्स इन सस्पेंडिंग द पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड फ्रॉम द डायनकेफेलॉन. ठीक है, तो এর ভিতরে কি আছে, পিটিউটরি গ্ল্যান্ড. দেন Then you come to these two. ये देखो ये दोनों. Like this. These are present along the lateral wall of the cavernous sinus. এই যে এইখানটা হচ্ছে কিন্তু এই যে একটা কোশ্চেন দিয়েছিলাম না ডেঞ্জারাস এরিয়া. So these are the places for cavernous sinus. This is cavernous sinus lateral wall. And along the lateral wall ये देख रहे हो ये दोनों. This is oculomotor nerve. Oculomotor nerve. ये क्या है? Oculomotor nerve. ये this is oculomotor. This is trochlear nerve. This is the trochlear nerve. Fourth cranial nerve, trochlear nerve. ठीक है. उसके बाद हम लोग आते हैं नीचे. अब थोड़ा इसको ऐसे करो. ये देखो. अब अंदर की तरफ देखो. Can you see this nerve? ये देखो. এই যে এই দুটো. These are the sixth cranial nerve, that is abducent nerve. This is sixth cranial nerve or abducent nerve. আর এইখানে যে নার্ভটা আছে this thick one, ये जो मोटा थिक नर्व है यहाँ पे जो प्रेजेंट है, this is called as trigeminal nerve, the fifth cranial nerve. এটা হচ্ছে fifth, এটা হচ্ছে sixth cranial nerve. Can you see one artery? This is brainstem. The portion which I am holding is below the level of pons. এটাকে বলে medulla. This is medulla continuous with spinal cord. এটাকে যখন আমি সামনে আনছি, can you see this artery? This is the basilar artery. এই আর্টারিটা কি হচ্ছে? Basilar artery. Basilar artery formed by the joining of these two, that is the fourth part of the vertebral artery. They join to form the basilar artery. This is abducent nerve. This is trigeminal nerve, fifth cranial nerve. उसके बाद ये वाला देखो, this is called as internal acoustic meatus. Internal acoustic meatus through which the seventh cranial nerve and the eighth cranial nerve. So this is containing 7 and 8, which is passing through the internal acoustic meatus, which is an opening present along the posterior surface of the petrous part of temporal bone. This is 7 and 8 combined, 7 and 8 cranial nerves, facial nerve and the vestibulocochlear nerve. इसके बाद हम नीचे की तरफ आते हैं. नीचे की तरफ मतलब can you see these bunch of nerves below this? This is 9, this is 10, this is 11. 9, 10 and 11 cranial nerves passing through the middle compartment of the jugular foramen. 9, 10, 11 passing through the middle compartment of the jugular foramen. And then finally, when you put it here, finally when I am holding the brainstem and the vertebral artery down like this, if you go internally like this, এই দেখছিস কত রুটলেটস এমনি করে বেরোচ্ছে এরকম করে এই যে ডিপে, these rootlets which are present here and on this side also, can you see these rootlets? এই যে rootlets, these are the rootlets, ভেঙে গেল, these are the rootlets of 15 to 20 rootlets of the hypoglossal nerve. These are 15 to 20 rootlets of the hypoglossal nerve. So from 1 we started and we end on 12th. So apart from this, what you can see here is, I am telling you the locations. This along this border means the posterior border of the lesser wing of sphenoid will lie like this, the sphenoparietal sinus. The sphenoparietal sinus will be present here. Like this on both the sides will be present the cavernous sinus. এইখানে আমি পাবো, that portion we will do the dissection and show you the Gasserian ganglion or the trigeminal ganglion. ठीक है, and we will find like this 1, 2, that I will show you in dissection, the 3 divisions of the trigeminal nerve. Along this border where you have the attachment of the tentorium cerebelli is present the superior petrosal sinus, which will go and drain into the sigmoid sinus, and down like this, here you can see this blue color, this is the inferior petrosal sinus. This is the inferior petrosal sinus which you will find along this border. This will also go and drain. Actually the inferior petrosal sinus is said to be the first tributary of the internal jugular vein. So like this you will find the inferior petrosal sinus, the superior petrosal sinus, the cavernous sinus, the sphenoparietal sinus, the superior sagittal sinus, the inferior sagittal sinus, and here you can see the cut end of the ejecta. This is the straight sinus. Straight sinus continuous with the left transverse sinus. Superior sagittal sinus, which is present like this, is continuous with the right transverse sinus. ठीक है, which will be continuous with the respective sigmoid sinus. And finally, when we are putting it down like this, can you see a fold of meningeal layer of dura mater here? This is similar to this layer. देखो যখন আমি এটা এরকম করে রাখছি, this sickle shaped layer is called as falx cerebri. This is formed by the meningeal layer of dura mater. Similarly, when I am putting it down like this here, deep you can see the presence of the falx cerebelli. This is falx cerebelli, which is present between the two. এই যে দুটো জায়গা আছে, this is for the two cerebellar hemispheres. This contains the occipital sinus. This contains the occipital sinus. So falx cerebelli contains the occipital sinus, and here lodges the two cerebellar hemispheres. This opening is called as foramen magnum, through which you can see the brainstem is passing, through which the vertebral artery are passing, and will come up like this, which is not very clear here, is the spinal accessory nerve. So the entire picture is clear.